Morning, everybody. It's 8:30 on Monday morning, the 12th, beginning of a new week, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 2220. Okay, Asia is a little bit higher. The Nikkei is closed. It's Marine Day in Japan, and European markets are slightly higher. Here we're about unchanged. The 210 spread is unchanged, both the 2s and the 10s up 1 basis point, so that leaves us unchanged at a negative 10 basis points. There's no real news this morning. The first news that we actually have is not until 2 o'clock, and that is just the Treasury budget. We really start to see the important news starting tomorrow at 8:30. We have, at 6 o'clock we have small business optimism, but at 8:30 we have PPI and core PPI. And then on Wednesday we have CPI and core CPI, but Thursday, we also have retail sales, initial claims, continuing claims, import prices, export prices, New York Fed, Empire State Manufacturing, capacity utilization, industrial production, business inventories, the housing market index, and the long-term tick flows, which are the Treasury investors from outside the U.S. So that's where we are. This week is jam-packed with important information. Companies in the news, Starbucks 76.80 up $1.71 on the fact that activist Starboard Value has a stake, according to the Wall Street Journal. Key Corp 17.23, that's up 263 or 17, almost 18%. They have a strategic minority investment from Scotiabank, symbol BNS. Disney had a bunch of information last night on ABC News, which they own. They did a special few-minute segment on the unprecedented expansion of its parks and resorts at their D23 confab. Intel up just 9 cents at 1980, postponed an innovation event amid continuing job cuts, according to Bloomberg. Cisco down 4 cents, or just 0.1%, eliminating also thousands of jobs. Tesla stopped accepting orders for the least expensive Cybertruck, while it offers a premium model. So that's pretty much what we have in the way of news. As far as the futures, stock futures are slightly higher. The Dow is up about 41. It's been, pretty much in this area. NASDAQ up 42. The S&P is up about 12 or 13. The chart on the screen is the silver, which I'm going to point out, this is the daily silver for the last 3 months. But as you can see, the MACD here is turning to the upside. I would say either if it stays where it is now, it'll cross today. If not, it looks like it'll cross tomorrow back to the upside. We do have a fair amount of supply from about 28 and a quarter all the way up to 29 and a quarter, but this morning's 40-cent move, 37.7-cent move, is a good start in the right direction off what turns out to be a fairly meaningful base right over the 200-day moving average. A look at it on the weekly shows that it came right back down to this meaningful, very meaningful support at 26 and a quarter, 26 and a half, which I mentioned in last night's letter. The gold is up a little. Grains are down again. Energies are up with almost $78 oil. gasoline is up about 4 cents, even though they're still pumping out of the SPR with a maximum of 52 million barrels. Cotton, a little bit of a bounce here. This one's kind of getting a little on the interesting side too. It's come down, it's broken all support, but it too is set up for a cross back to the upside from a very oversold position in the MACD. The dollar is basically unchanged, up 9 cents. Bitcoin is down about 1,100. It was down over twice as much. And Ethereum is up 87. And the bonds are basically unchanged, up 1/32. So there you have it. Be careful out there. Not sure whether this is going to hold or not. Wouldn't surprise me to see a 100-point pullback in the S&P just to test the recent mid-range where support was found. Excuse me. And I think I'm probably going to buy some Disney here. Have a good day.